Good day, everybody. And once again, we are back together. So we're looking at the last question, which is question 8.3. So please, if you haven't subscribed, just please make sure that you're part of the family, right? So we are looking at the relationship between radians and degrees, right? So how do you convert between the two? So firstly, they said, simplify the following and leave your answer in degrees. Right, so you can see that there are angles that are in terms of pi, and we know that if we wanted to convert any angle theta, right, from radians into degrees, you just simply multiply the angle, okay, radians multiplied by 180 over pi, okay? So whatever the angle is, you just multiply by 180 over pi. So firstly, they said simplify, right? So we're going to say, well, you've got 6 pi plus 6 pi over 3. In fact, if you want to, just simply convert first. So you've got that in degrees, that's 6 pi. So this is going to be 6 pi multiplied by 180 over pi minus 15 degrees plus 4 over 3 pi multiplied by 180 over pi. So let's try and find that angle quickly. So firstly, notice there that you are going to cancel out the pi and the pi there. Pi and pi cancel each other out. And so you've got 6 times 180. Okay, let's do that quickly. So that's 6 times 180. That gives us 1080 degrees minus 15 degrees plus, we've got 4 over 3 multiplied by 180 again. So that gives us 240. So best thing for us to do, just add all of those up. So you've got 1080 minus 15 plus 240. Okay, in fact, I made a mistake there. It's 1080 minus 15 plus 240. Right, I get an angle of 1305. So 1305 degrees. And really that is how the cookie crumbles. So just remember to convert from radians, okay, into degrees. All you just need to remember is that conversion of 180 over pi. And ladies and gents, that is as simple as that. You could have chosen to add those two up, 6 pi plus 4 over 3, right? So you could have said that 6 plus 4 over 3, right? And that would have given us, okay, that's 22 over 3, right? And you could have then said you've got 22 over 3 pi, okay, multiplied by 180 over pi and minus the 15 degrees. And I'm quite certain, ladies and gents, you would be able to get to the same answer. All right, and that is really how the cookie crumbles. I hope that you were able to watch all the videos that have this paper in them, this technical mathematics paper, and I will be giving you guys more and more content just to make sure that you can prepare as much as possible for the final exams. But for now, I will see you guys next time. Sharp, sharp.